What's up everybody, my name's Cody from Genius Phone Repair. Thanks for joining me again on another Tech Tuesday video. Today's topic is battery efficiency, so whether you're Team Android or Team iPhone, I've got a couple tricks for you to keep your battery going throughout the day, as well as keeping it going throughout the rest of your phone's life. The first thing that we want to touch on is less of a trick and more of a tip. It's that everybody kind of had the old myth that you shouldn't plug your phone in overnight and keep it plugged in overnight for all that 8 hours. This is definitely a myth. It's something that's perfectly safe to do. Older smartphones and older phones in general, when they were first coming out, this definitely was something to keep an eye out where you don't want to overcharge your battery. Newer smartphones with newer battery technology, this is no longer the case. So you can keep your phone plugged in all night, have no worries about it, and it'll be perfectly good to go in the morning with a full charge. Second thing is that you don't want to really use your phone too heavily while it's charging. Even though you may have to respond to a bunch of texts, emails, Snapchat, browse Instagram, or whatever, it's better to leave your phone plugged in and let it do its thing while it's at that lower percentage, and then let it charge up and use it after that. Using it while it's charging can lead to excessive heat, keep your phone not going as well as it can down the road, and then you just get a couple other problems with it. Last tip that I'm going to tell you is something that we all probably know anyway, and it's low power mode or power saver mode or battery saver, whatever way you want to call it. Everybody's probably heard of it, and it's an easy feature that's on every single smartphone that at least I've seen. So if you do see this feature, turn it on. It'll give you a couple extra hours of battery throughout the day. It'll give you a bunch of extra workloads that you can do what you normally wouldn't be able to. And on top of that, you really won't notice any difference. However, if you keep it on all the time, your phone can slow down over time. You'll still get the great battery life, but your processor will slow down, your phone will seem a little bit sluggish, so don't keep it on 24/7. Turn it on and off whenever you need it, and then just keep it whenever you don't. That's all I really have for you today. If you do have any issues with your batteries, you know where to come see us over at Genius Phone Repair. My name's Cody, that's all I got.